Hi, I just wanted to take you through the new API security functionality implemented in our new release of Parasoft products for 2021.2. We're going to start by turning on the recorder so we can record our API actions. And then I'll log into my example application under test, Paratroopers. It's sort of our online store for buying military equipment. I'm just going to add 4 Apaches and then go to my... I'll just speed up the video here to make the checkout process go a little faster. That's all that is required, so we'll log out here and say sign out. We just want to get some amount of API traffic captured. So I'm going to stop recording here. Stop. And then I'll call it API security test. Create that test asset. And you see that I'm communicating with SOAtest right now. The AI generated the API tests from my API action recordings. We'll close that. And then we'll go to SOAtest. And so now we see here's my API security test. We can see these are all the API calls that I made that I recorded. Just for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to select where I post my cart items. I'm just going to right click and add an output. And I'll go to traffic object, and right here I select penetration testing tool. And click finish. And it's going to assign now penetration testing to my already existing testing. If the penetration testing is part of the AppSec team, I can reuse these functional tests created by my development or DevOps team and save valuable test creation time. Now all I do is run my test suite. And so while this is processing, there's actually a collection of test policies that are being run against the server, all simply by adding that one penetration traffic object to my single test and then running the test. And so now it's done. So let's go back. So we see here, we have 9 tasks reported. I can go to API security test, which is right here. And we see that here are all of my potential vulnerabilities. And so we see buffer overflow. We see a vulnerability in cross-site scripting. We see here HTTP verb tampering. So one final thing I'd like to show you is I'm going to generate a report. We've completely reformatted the HTML report and we've added the API security section. I can come here and see that I have 95.2% of my tests that pass, and then I have my vulnerabilities. So I can drop down my coverage and I see that of security issues, and this is a new column, that there are 2 security issues found for the entire thing. And they're this line where I have a delete, which is untested, I have a get, which is completely tested, and my post was a failure. So now I have this quick link up here that I can just click there. Here's where I see that CWE 287, we have a medium vulnerability HTTP verb tampering instance. So I can click that, and the color codes mean that this is a medium severity, but the AI has a very high confidence that this is a valid vulnerability. And so here's all the information you would need on finding out more about it. Or you have external references to research, such as OWASP, and you can click right here, and it will take you to the CWE website where this will give you the detail of the particular vulnerability that we found. And don't forget, we also have our documentation. For more information on HTTP verb tampering and further detail on penetration testing, as well as the other things that we offer in the new release of 2021.2, please see our website. Thank you.